Amanda, and I'm back again with another video. Okay, I know I look rough. Oh my gosh. This is my makeup from all day, okay? I did a lot. I got up early, did some cleaning, went to church, went to the library with my kids. Just a lot was done. Sundays are very busy days. So I just took off my earrings and I just put on a t-shirt and I am just ready to do some self-care. Self-care Sundays are a must. So I was like, let me do a video. So I'm gonna kind of take you through my Sunday night routine and show you a little of what that looks like. So first I gotta remove this makeup. So I'm gonna use my makeup cleansing balm to clean my face, then my cleanser, and then we're gonna do our masks. So we are double cleansed and feeling good. Now it's time to take out this hair. Ugh, be as gentle as possible because, you know, breakage is real when you wear a ponytail. And ooh, you see this crusty hair? I had it crimped the other day. So it's a little wild. We're gonna do a hair mask, face mask, and a hand mask. My favorite hair mask currently is the Kristen S Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask. I have been loving it. It smells so good. It's like almost gone. I love this. My hair loves it, and it just feels so good. I really just emphasize on the ends. That's usually where your hair needs the most moisture. Most of the oils that do get to your hair are already on the scalp because the scalp gets oily on its own, you know? But the ends is what needs some TLC. All right, so I got everything. So I know it looks a little crazy, but trust me when I say this stuff is good and it really works its miracles on the hair. Next, let's get into the masks. So for face mask, I'm gonna use the Avatera Redo Niacinamide Water Gel Mask. And then this I got in a gift and I was like, let's try this. Therapy Hand Mask by MediHeal. So we're gonna do a hand mask and a face mask. I already know I'm going to love this. Look at the essence to this. I love when I wish you guys could feel this. Oh, this feels so good, guys. Oh my God, I can't even tell you how good this feels. You guys should really put your masks in the fridge if you want to feel that cooling. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. Okay. Then we're gonna get into the hand mask. Come on, how cute are these? They got little teddy bears in them. And then they got the little tabs. Ooh, they feel funny. It's kind of like a face mask. You just feel all the product in there and it's like all gooey. Okay, so here they are. Ooh. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am all done and I feel so glowy. Look at my hands, how moisturized they are. This feels amazing. So next I'm gonna do some nails. I've been doing press-ons lately because I've been giving my nails a break. I got these at Dollar Tree and I'm really liking both of them. Not sure what vibe I want. I like the little florals. The pink and the blue is so cute, but I actually think I'm leaning towards this green and purple vibe because I love the little designs. All right guys, so I'm back and the nails are done. I am totally feeling this vibe and I just feel my best when my nails are done. My favorite nail glue is this Glamnetic nail glue. This stuff is the bomb. I This is the only nail glue I use. Like, let me put you guys on. If you want to wear press-on nails, these will last all week. Like, this manicure, they will not pop off. They are good for the next 5 days. So now it's time for the everything shower. My hair mask is starting to get a little stiff, so I'm gonna head in the shower, wash my hair, condition, shave, do the whole 9. And if you know, you know. My ladies, an everything shower is literally the best type of shower. Just be prepared to be there for a long time, but you end up feeling soft, smelling good, just looking your best. I'm going to show you some of the products that I use because they're my favorite essential items for my everything showers. But first, I love using this Olay body wash. This one has hyaluronic acid. I love me my peptides. Hyaluronic acid is like a must for my skin. So this stuff is amazing. And I've noticed such a difference in my body ever since I started using it. I've been using this maybe for like, I want to say maybe like 2 years now. Like, this has been around for a while. I want to say it's like 2 or 3 years. And next, obviously with the everything shower, that's when you shave and get yourself together and you exfoliate. So my favorite body exfoliant is Tree Hut. I've tried a few different ones, but I always come back to this one. I repurchased this pink hibiscus one a few times already. I love, this is just my favorite, but they have so many different ones. Like, if you ever want to try them, smell them, whatever, try them for yourself, find your favorite, but this is my go-to. And I think because I use the Olay body wash, I feel like it just pairs well and it just leaves me feeling so soft and smelling so good. Let me stop talking so I can take my butt in the shower. So when you see me next, I'm going to be so fresh and so clean. I will see you in a minute. Hey guys, so I'm back, and the next step of SelfCare Sunday is eyebrows and eyelashes. I use the Kiss Falscara. I really like this kit. It works really well for me times, but it just comes with the regular individual lashes. We got the bond and seal and the reinforcer and the little, I guess, applicator, and then this is the eyelash remover. So this is what I'm going to do my lashes with, and first I'm actually going to do my eyebrows. I actually like to do my eyebrows after skincare because my skin is nice and greasy and smooth, and I'm not like shaving away and messing up my skin. So it glides on really easy. I really don't do much to my eyebrows. I just clean down here and my Frida Kahlo in the middle. So I just kind of do a little lift and go against the grain like that. Alrighty, so we got the eyebrows done. I'm a little red, but like I said, it's not too bad because of the oil. So usually here I just kind of clean up my lashes a little bit. Since I did just do my skincare, I don't want any of that oil on my lashes. I kind of just clean it up, make sure they're nice and dry. And then this step, I mean, you don't have to, but I find it to be easier when my lashes are curled. Why does curling your lashes look so scary? But it actually feels not too bad. I usually just start from the outer corner and then work my way in. So we start with the bond side, and then once we have the lashes on, then we seal it. What I'm gonna do is I have the long, the medium, and the short. So I'm gonna do one long on each, one medium, and one short. I don't really go to the inner corner because that is just so uncomfortable. So I just like a little extra oomph at the end. So I'm just gonna do 3 lashes, a long, a medium, and a small. Using the bond side and my Q-tip, I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure to lift that underside and just put it at the base like that. You don't want to coat the whole lash, you just want to do the base. Grabbing my long lash, we put that right at the root of the base. And then the same with the medium. And then the short right next to it. Now I'm just gonna do the other side to match this one. Now that I have both sides done and they're a little more secure, I just give them a good pinch to really stabilize the lash. Next, we're gonna grab the seal side, and this one really locks it in. And then we let that dry. And then once I let this dry, I give it another pinch. Now this last step is really what seals it all and makes these babies last. So this is the overnighter. It's like a dark glue. And here we just apply it to the base. And it's basically like another glue reinforcer, but this one really stays on. And I try not to blink in this part. I just let that dry and it really seals it. It dries really fast though. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-care Sunday. You know, as a girl, you got to do your weekly maintenance. So hope you guys enjoyed. And hopefully you guys watched this while you were doing your Sunday self-care. Take care of yourself, girl. You have to. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-care Sunday. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell icon if you'd like to get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.